Okay, for number 8, it wants us to simplify this expression. Okay, a couple ways you can handle the start of this. Anything to the 0 power is 1, so no matter what happened inside here, whenever I do x squared to the y to the 0 power, I get 1. So I'm going to change that to 1. And then when you divide variables, you subtract the exponents, top exponent minus bottom exponent. So 3 minus negative 1, 3 minus negative 1 makes that x to the 4th. And then on the y's, negative 2 minus 2, change the color there, negative 2 minus 2 is negative 4, so that is y to the negative 4. Remember that when you're simplifying rational expressions like that, you don't need to have any negative exponents in your answer. So that y to the negative 4th, remember, changes that y to the denominator. So we have x to the 4th over y to the 4th, which is the answer for C. Okay, number 9 says solve for x. So we have 12 over 21 equals x plus 4 over 2x plus 4. So what I want to do is I have a proportion. Remember, a proportion is when two fractions or two ratios are equal to each other. And in order to solve this, I'm going to use the property known as a cross products rule. Okay, so I'm going to multiply diagonally. That 12 gets multiplied by the entire denominator of 2x plus 4. This 21 gets multiplied by the entire numerator of x plus 4. Now simply distribute. So we have 24x plus 48 equals 21x plus 84. So I'm going to get my x's together by subtracting 21x. That gives me 3x plus 48 equals 84. Now subtract 48 from both sides, and you have 3x equals 36. When you divide both sides by 3, you get the answer x equals 12, which is D. Okay, number 10. Number 10 says, when Alex joined a discount CD club, he was allowed to buy 10 CDs at 50 cents each. If he buys 1 CD per month for the next year at $14.95 each, plus $3 shipping and handling, what will be the average price for all the CDs he purchased? And I believe they're meaning what would be the average price for each CD he purchased. Okay, so he got 10 CDs for 50 cents each, which that equals $5. Then he got 1 CD per month for the next year, so $14.95 per month. And then for the next year, so that's times 12 months. $14.95 times 12 is $179.46 plus $3 shipping handling, $3.70 shipping and handling. That's per month. So I'm going to multiply that by 12 also. That's $404. No, that can't be right. $44.40. Okay. Now, that is a total of, I'm going to add all that together. We get $228.86. That's the total amount he spent on CDs. But if we want to figure out how much each CD is, we also need to calculate how many CDs he bought. Well, he got 10 with the initial purchase, and then he got 12 over the course of the next year. So he got 22 total CDs. So now I'm going to take that $228.86 and divide by 22. Which is $10.40. So the answer is E.